Nuvocotto once again. Today I'm going to show you the installation of a product which is having immense creative potential. Before that, let me tell you why I'm wearing this hard hat. I want to remind you and emphasize you about the importance of following safety measures in the site, especially when you are using products like this, which is an external cladding for high-rise buildings. Let me get into it. I bought this product. This product you can use both internal and external. The size of this tile is 600 by 300 mm and 18 mm thickness, and this is installed in a mechanical way. Let me tell you how it is. this video was informative, if yes, click that like button and don't hesitate to share this information with your friends and colleagues. And also we would love to reply to all of your comments and queries in the comment box. So see you next time. Till then, stay creative, stay sustainable.